Hey guys, it's Craig here. So I bought a shed. Today I'm going to show you guys, well, over the course of a couple days, but for you guys it will be today. I'm going to show you the process I go through to set the pad, level everything out, and get things ready for the shed. So down here is the area that we're going to be working in. So first thing I got to do is mark it out and get some measurements of where I'm going to start so I can plan the excavation. So stay tuned. Hey guys, Craig again, just giving you an update here. Taking a look now, I've got most of the grading done, initial grading. So now we're, pretty close to where I want it to be with it. So we will begin. I'll start by I'll put a thin coat of stone down to try and get a near, near level grade, and then at that point I'll start building the 4x4 frame off of that. Guys, taking a little rain delay break here. Of course, Mother Nature not cooperating, just my luck. Took the day off from work, and yeah, this is what we got. What's up guys, Craig back here again. So the shed is installed, fully in. We actually got a lot of the stuff inside, so let me give you a quick little tour. Unfortunately, I was in too much of a rush due to we had a tire blowout, blew a tube on the tractor, and had a lot of dirt. I didn't have enough time to kind of set up any kind of cameras, and honestly forgot to grab it, so didn't get anything around here. So the pad is completed. Built a little stone ramp for now leading up to it. Like I said, I may pave this or potentially bring in a little bit more fill. Park my truck down here for now, but made a little driveway, kind of a service driveway out to the main driveway. And then you can see here on the edge, use some of the back dugout fill to kind of reinforce this 4x4 brace, and then also kind of clean up the edges here. And I'll probably bring in a little bit of topsoil, and then this whole area we'll plant some grass. Same thing this back side, I have to backfill. So my gutters on my house, they actually run down, and there's actually a tube somewhere over here and another one up on this hillside for the drainage. So right now all that water is going to run down. And then see if you can see this as well, but you know, they're braced up on what looks to be 4x4s or 4x6s. So there's, yeah, a good 8 to 10 inches that the shed is sitting up before water would ever touch anything. But I'm thinking of probably kind of ditching this out a little bit more, filling it with some larger stone gravel, and then probably building a kind of a trench around the side here. Walk around to the front here. In the front you can see, you know, 2 in the front, and eventually probably run some power. If I decide to do blacktop for the entrance here for the shed, I'll probably maybe pave over that pad, so at least it will be leveled out versus trying to jackhammer up either one section of the pad or, you know, one square. So we'll try that. And then yeah, so this shed, we'll open it up here. It's still a little messy. Moved some stuff around today.